Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Cherokee tire. First, find a safe, level spot away from traffic and engage your parking brake. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Your owner's manual can help you find these items and provide specific instructions for your model. Always prioritize safety before starting any work on your vehicle. Now, before lifting the vehicle, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Don't remove them yet. Then, position the jack correctly under the vehicle's frame, usually near the flat tire. Consult your owner's manual for the exact jack points. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground, about 2 to 3 inches. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Next, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the vehicle. Push the spare tire firmly onto the studs. Once it's seated, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs. Make sure they are snug, but don't use the wrench for final tightening yet. Now, slowly lower your Jeep Cherokee until the spare tire is fully on the ground. Once it's down, use your lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts completely. Work in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Double-check all nuts are secure. Finally, store your flat tire and all tools safely in your vehicle. Drive cautiously to the nearest service center to have your flat tire repaired or replaced.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.